Hello, I'm Kristen with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for Catch 'em All at the library, we will be focusing on Gengar. So in your craft packet, you'll have a big puffy soft purple pom-pom, and then several felt pieces in white, red, and purple that we'll need to cut out. So first we just need to cut out all of these pieces, and then I'll show you how to put it all together. So once we have all of our pieces cut out, then we just have to glue everything together. So we're going to take our big purple pom-pom, which will be Gengar's body. There will be a little elastic piece that you can use as a loop to hang him up if you would like to. So if you want to do that, then make sure that's at the top of his head. And you can just thread some string or fishing line or whatever you'd like through there to hang it up if you would like to. So I'm gonna start with his face. So I would recommend using either tacky glue or hot glue. But if you use hot glue, just be very careful because these are small pieces. So we're just going to stick the eyes in there near the top, but not all the way on the top of the head. And even once they're on there, if you need to remove and readjust, you can. I'm going to try and pull a little bit of the fluff out from under that eye. There. Then we'll get his smile. And that's going to go in the center, just a little bit underneath the eyes. All right, you can do this in any order really, but I think I'm going to go ahead with the ears next. Now on all of these purple pieces, they're going to be sticking out and off. So we're actually going to put a little bit of glue just on the edge of each piece and the bottom so that we can find the place we want to stick it and then kind of part all this fluff and stick it in there and then press the fluff back around the glue so that it gets a good hold on it, so that it gets in there and then sticks out. Let's go up a little, I think. You can kind of shift it around in there. So there's one ear. I'll grab the other. Do the same glue on the edge. Kind of part the fluff a little as best I can. Stick that in there and then pinch it in. All right, now got his arms. We're going to do those the same way we did the ears. We're going to go on the side, kind of just below the ears, close to, kind of in line with the eyes. So there's one arm. And the next one. There we go. That's looking good. All right. So now we just have his little legs and the tail. So again, just glue around one edge that is going to go into our fluff. These will go at the bottom. Make sure we've got enough fluff around that to press it down. Hold on to that glue. Now the other leg. All right, and there's the front of our Gengar. Now we're going to flip him over to add the tail. Now this is going to stick off right at the bottom of the back, kind of in between the feet, like this, so that this little point goes whoop, right off the back. So we're going to put some glue along this edge, the longest, straightest edge, and then stick it in there in the back and pinch that fluff around him. Pull it down a little, get it a little lower. And there we go. Now, so here is my completed Gengar. But I will say that if you want to add some more little tufts of hair that kind of stick off his body, you can use scraps from your purple to cut out little triangles to stick on his back if you would like to, but you certainly do not have to. And that is our craft for this week. Of course, you want to let him dry for a while, but once he's dry, you should be able to play with him all right. Or you can hang him up, whatever you would like. But that is our craft for this week. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next week to make another Pokemon. Bye.